A personal development plan is a powerful roadmap to guide your journey toward self-improvement and success. This comprehensive plan will help you identify, set, and achieve your goals in various areas of your life. It's a dynamic document that evolves as you grow and progress. Step 1. Self-assessment. 1.1. Reflect on your current state. 1. Assess your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. 2. Consider your interests, values, and passions. 1.2. Set specific goals. 1. Identify your short-term and long-term goals in different life domains: career, education, health, relationships, and personal development. Step 2. Goal definition. 2.1. Clear and impactful goals. 1. Define clear goals that resonate with your values and passions. 2. Ensure each goal is meaningful and has a significant impact on your life. 2.2. Prioritization. 1. Rank your goals based on importance, urgency, and alignment with your values. 2. Focus on the goals that will make the most significant positive difference. Step 3. Action plan. 3.1. Actionable steps. 1. Break down each goal into smaller, actionable steps. 2. Specify what needs to be done to achieve your objectives. 3.2. Deadlines and milestones. 1. Create a timeline with realistic deadlines for each step. 2. Set milestones to track your progress and celebrate achievements. Step 4. Self-improvement categories. 4.1. Categorize goals. 1. Assign each goal to specific self-improvement categories: career, education, health, relationships, personal development, and more. Step 5. Strategies and tactics. 5.1. Tailored strategies. 1. Develop detailed strategies and tactics for each goal. 2. Customize your approach to suit the specific requirements of each goal. Step 6. Resources and support. 6.1. Resource identification. 1. Determine the resources, skills, or knowledge required for success. 2. Plan how to acquire these resources. 6.2. Support networks. 1. Consider seeking mentorship, networking, or joining support groups. 2. Utilize your existing network for guidance and encouragement. Step 7. Accountability. 7.1. Progress tracking. 1. Establish a method for monitoring your progress. 2. Use calendars, apps, or journals to record your actions. 7.2. Accountability partners. 1. Find an accountability partner, mentor, or coach to keep you on track. 2. Regularly share your progress and challenges with them. Step 8. Adaptability. 8.1. Adapt and evolve. 1. Understand that your plan may need adjustments as situations change. 2. Be flexible and open to refining your approach. Step 9. Review and reflect. 9.1. Regular review. 1. Schedule regular reviews of your goals and action plans. 2. Reflect on what's working, what isn't, and make improvements. Step 10. Celebrate achievements. 10.1. Acknowledge success. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reward yourself as a way to stay motivated. Step 11. Continuous learning. 11.1. Lifelong learning. Commit to ongoing personal growth and learning. Continuously seek opportunities for self-improvement. Step 12. Visualization. 12.1. Visualization techniques. Practice visualization to imagine your success. Use it as a motivational tool to keep your goals in focus. This detailed personal development plan serves as a dynamic guide for your journey to success and self-improvement. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to set and achieve your goals across various aspects of your life, fostering continuous growth and personal development. Stay dedicated, and remember that personal development is an ongoing process that leads to lifelong success.